Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Benjamin and you are watching Sartorial Styles. Today I unbox my very first order ever from Yeossal, and these are two pairs of high-waisted trousers. They are also very well known for their one-piece collar polo shirts and their one-piece collar shirting options in general. And they also produce shoes and sell shoes from well-known brands like TLB Mallorca. But today we just take a look at their trousers, at their high-waisted linen trousers. Yes, these are linen trousers. It's October, maybe even November when this video is published, but yeah, I guess I miscalculated a little bit. So now I have linen trousers in October. But well, I can just wear them next summer, so that's not like a huge problem. I'm very excited how these will turn out. I provided some of my measurements, but they only accept your information in inches. And I have no clue about the system. I know that my TV is 55 inches and my notebook is 15 inches, but that's it. So I just measured everything in centimeters. It's the more precise system nevertheless, and converted all the stuff to inches and provided them the converted measurements. So I just hope that I didn't miscalculate anything again and didn't misspell anything, and that they were able to tailor these trousers so in a way that they fit me properly. I'm extremely excited. I don't really remember which styles and which colors I actually ordered. I think one of them is tobacco brown. I'm pretty sure about this one, but I don't remember the other one, and I guess that I decided to go for a Gurkha waistband on one of them, but I'm not very sure about this one too. So this is kind of a surprise to me too, and yeah, I would say let's go. Okay, so now we know the second color was sand or beige or something. Something I just wanted to tell you, these arrived via FedEx. They actually did a very good job. The delivery took, I think, 4 days from Singapore to Germany. I wanted to say Aachen, you know, it's still not completely in my mind that I actually moved to Bavaria. But yeah, it took about 4 days. And yeah, the parcel is in very, very good condition. The trousers they look awesome compared to the 4 Gentlemen waistcoat that I unboxed a week or 2 or 3 ago. This looks way better, so good job FedEx. The delivery, all in all, including the production time, took more than 8 weeks. It was about 9 weeks, maybe 8 weeks and 6 days or something. But they promised that my trousers will arrive after 6 to 8 weeks, and that's the same thing as with Hockety. If they would have just said, hey, we need 10 weeks, so wait for 10 weeks and it arrives after 9 weeks, I'm so fine with that. But if they say 8 weeks is maximum, the maximum delivery time, and then it actually takes about a week longer, that's something I just don't like. It's not like a huge problem. It's, as I said, it's October nevertheless, so I won't wear these a lot, so it's not a problem in that way, but it's just something that I don't like. If you say we need up to 8 weeks, then just need up to 8 weeks. It's actually pretty easy in my opinion, but yeah, some services, some shops seem to be not able to predict correctly how long the tailoring will take. But the delivery was awesome, as I said, very fast, very good job FedEx. I didn't have to pay any additional taxes. Shipping was about 15 Singaporean dollars, I believe, or maybe 20 Singaporean dollars, so not much. I'm not sure if it's normal that you don't have to pay any taxes or duties or something, but I didn't. And yeah. I will probably order from them again, so if you want to keep updated about upcoming orders, feel free to follow my Instagram account. It's at sartorialstyles.com. I will absolutely notify you there if I had to pay any taxes for my next order. Okay, So let's start with pair number 1. These come in very nice plastic bags actually, I like that. Okay, so this is this is the sand color indeed. This is a linen fabric, as I already said. Okay, so the fabric feels extremely good, I have to say. It isn't very soft, it's not one of these very soft linens, it's pretty sturdy, but it has a very open weave. I don't know if that's visible on camera, if not I will just put some B-roll in here. But it has a very open weave actually, so I'm pretty sure that this will have very good characteristics during the summer, very good cooling characteristics. That's a hard word. Okay, I think it doesn't make a lot of sense to show it like that into the camera, so I will just put this one to the side, unbox the second one, and then I will put some B-roll with my first try-on screen so that you can see it like in a proper way. Okay, and they say in the inside of the trousers it's linen from Spence Bryson. Okay. Basically no inner lining. Good. So, trousers number 2. This is the tobacco brown linen. Okay, this is a very nice color. I can already say that. Yeah, I like this one a lot. Again, 2-inch cuffs. Very nice. Slightly different waistband, I would say, but we will see that later when I actually wear these trousers. Yeah, awesome fabric. The color is extremely nice. Again, a very open weave, but a very sturdy linen, not very soft or something. This is again Spence & Bryson. Or Spence Bryson, I actually don't know. Yeah, I will have to try them on. And that's it, my unboxing of 2 Yeossal high-waisted linen trousers. I would love your thoughts about these trousers in the comments. Would you consider ordering from them? I would definitely consider ordering from them again, especially their shirting options look very appealing, and I will try them out in the future. I will also try another Singaporean clothing brand that is pretty similar to Yeossal, Colaro. They also have high-waisted trousers with these nice details. They also have shirts and polo shirts with a one-piece collar, one of these curved collar designs. And they seem to have some different fabrics in stock, for example, so I will definitely try them too and compare these two online shops. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Up there and up there are 2 different videos you can find on my YouTube channel, and down there you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Feel free to do that. Also feel free to follow my Instagram account @sartorialstyles.com. Have a nice time and see you next week.